front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy section. Before doing anything, quick disclaimer. You need to have screen lock already to continue. If you don't have one, tap on Device Unlock, hit Screen Lock here and set it up. If you do have one though, tap on Device Unlock as well, but this time choose Face Unlock section. Enter your current screen lock I just mentioned and tap on Enter the Face. Now select Next on the left, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, select OK and then go back. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. Icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!